Hi guys. Oh.
Okay, Sam, move. Why are you here?
Who are you?
Shut the hell up.
You
Hey. Shut up. Jalissa, did you use the time shotgun again?
No, these are actually my friends.
No, like, did you shoot it? Like, while we were fighting?
Hi. Yeah.
Hello. Okay, so this guy's here now? I will kill you all if you do not bring me
I got you. Hey, you will be my new roommate.
No.
Hey.
You said that you would be
Hey, I have a question for you. Can you answer it, please?
What?
Are you single?
Okay, you're gonna die.
Oh, he won't mail you. He won't mail you.
Now DC characters are showing up. What?
I thought Aquaman was strong, though. Aquaman, are you okay?
He broke every bone in my body. This man's huge.
Hi, Di. I'm fine.
Why are the two Spider-Mans now?
Daddy, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. This is just a fighting episode. Fighting episode.
I'll hold your bane and who? I'll hold your heart and who butter.
Can you do that, please? Can you do that, please? Excuse me.
My final words are,
Okay, I'll hold your heart.
Good night.
my city sucks.
Good night, sir.
Your heart ain't butter anymore.
But what the hell's happening?
I don't know.
It's an ultraverse.
All these guys are dead.
Who wants to come to my house? Yeah, let's go to my house, dude.
Okay, unpause it.
Die.
Sam, be quiet. Or is it unpause? Okay. Butterfingers!
Rangers, aren't they the same people?
Hold
Okay,
on.
I guess she made a change too.
I'm still alive.
We can't die. None of us can die because you're not the hate people. None of us can die because we don't come from the people.
Is that actually real? Is that actually true?
Yeah, that is real. I bet in that.
Dude, is that true? Hey, Junior.
No, he died to Butterfingers!
Okay, can I do night night? Can we do night night?
Junior, are you okay?
Can we do you rain it night night? Can we do
No. Sam, stop. Okay. Do these guys do? Everyone, it's time for Butterfingers. Are you guys ready? No! Please, God, no! Butterfingers.
Hey, buddy! Hey, die! Hey, Ammo Man!
Bro, why are there even more characters? Why? Damn you, Pegasus! Damn you! Why a Pegasus? I don't want to eat fried Pegasus right now.
I will kill you. You beast.
How, you fat fuck? Why are dinosaurs here now?
They're my friends.
Okay, now you point at these guys.
I like you.
Okay, what the hell? Okay, I'm gonna turn you into fried dinosaurs.
Kaden. Guys.
And the water. I'll melt your butter with water. Water hat. Alphabet.
I'm literally like...
I'm going to pee on you.
No. Water be. Alphabet.
Ew. have to use the bathroom.
Okay, go to the bathroom. It's
Okay.
Ow, my eye!
You ran it.
My eyes! Why did you do
What is
that?
she do? What is she doing?
So those two are fighting. Okay, another pig is
Time for makeup.
Magic brush to choose my makeup color for the day.
What
Okay, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay, what going on?
Okay, so apparently, Jalissa, this is all your fault that all these random people showed up. Okay, now Jalissa just ran away.
Where is Jalissa?
I don't know.
Oh, he behind the house. He behind the house.
Okay, well, Jalissa, this is all your fault.
Hey, you're gonna make her feel bad.
Nah, because first of all, she sent all these random people. They sent people from the BC.
Henry ran. I went. Henry ran.
Like I said.
Butterfinger.
Oh, I know where she is, sir. I know where she is. She's underneath the couch. Yeah. Hey, Jalissa. Hey, girl. Oh, shoot.
I know
So Jalissa, how are we gonna get all these people back?
Oh, I'm not Jalissa.
Okay, where'd she put the time shotgun?
Oh, she has it somewhere. Jalissa, where's the time shotgun? Oh, I don't know. I thought Joseph grabbed it.
Die. I'm able to make a 9 down and hide him away or what?
We're not gonna use that. We are not gonna use that. I don't like that.
No, die. It doesn't bring everybody back who they're humble.
Guys, I'm just.
We could just summon a being which could just take us all back.
Can we just go to Jalissa's house?
Hit that beam. Yeah.
Can we go to? I want to go back home.
Daniel, why do you do that?
Go back
What would that beam gonna do?
The same girl. Same.
What do you summon me for?
I summon you to take me home.
Can you give me a bat woman down my bed? I haven't you that you give me a bat woman down my bed.
What?